Good morning, students, and welcome to Q&I summer course. So students, first let me introduce myself. I am Sunit Kumar, your mathematics tutor, and I'll be continuing with the chapter linear equation in one variable. Okay, so let's start the chapter. Let's start the class, students. Are you able to hear me, everyone? Students, are you able to hear me? Okay. So, first of all, linear equations in one variable. Today is our fourth lecture of this chapter, linear equation in one variable, students. And prerequisite for this chapter is that we should know basic operations in mathematics, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You should know about constants and variables. And you should know the basics of linear equations, which you have done in class 7th. The outline for today's class is that we'll do questions on linear equations. So we have been doing questions since last two classes. We'll continue doing that. And then we will also learn how to reduce equation to simpler form while we are doing the questions. And we'll do the cross multiplication method of solving the equations. Okay. So let's start with the first question. So students, can you quickly tell me how to solve this question first and then let me know the answer? How do you solve this? You can just tell me what would be your approach. How would you solve this?
We can keep x by 3 to the other side or x by 2 on the other side.
Yeah, so we'll bring the variables on one side. So what we do is we'll bring x by 3 on the left side and take minus 1 by 5 on the right side, right? This should be the approach. Let's do this question. So students, as I said, we'll take x by 3 to the left side and minus 1 by 5 to the right side. So this will become x by 2 minus of x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. So if you take LCM here between 2 and 3, we have 6. So this will be, if we multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, we'll get 3x in the numerator here. And in the second term, we'll multiply it by 2, we'll get 2x here. This is equal to, if we take the LCM of 5 and 4, this is 20. So we'll multiply by 5 and here we'll multiply by 4, right? So 3x minus 2x is x over 6 is equal to 9 over 20. Now, if we have to find the value of x, we cross multiply this, take 6 to the other side because it is in division. When it goes to the other side, it will come to multiplication. So this is 9 into 6 over 20, right? So this is, we can cut this 2 times 3 and 2 times 10. So we have 27 over 10. So the value of x, which is the solution of this linear equation, is x is equal to 27 over 10.
So
Is this clear?
can you repeat it again? I don't understand.
Chaitra, can you repeat your question? I could not get
Sir,
you.
can you repeat it? I couldn't understand.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that step by step. So what we did first was we brought x by 3 to the left side. So because it was plus x by 3, it became minus x by 3. And minus 1 by 5, when it was brought from left side to right side, it became plus 1 by 5. The sign changes when we transpose. Now, because x by 2 and x by 3 have different denominators, we cannot add them directly. We will have to find the LCM so that we convert this with the like denominator. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So what we do, if we multiply both numerator and denominator by 3 here, so that we get 3x over 6. And because in the second one, the denominator is 3, we multiplied both term by 2, we'll get minus 2x by 6. Now the LCM of 4 and 5, again, these are unlike fractions, so we'll have to convert it into like fraction. LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 5 here in the first term and by 4 in the second term. So we get 5 over 20 plus 4 over 20. Now 3x minus 2x is x over 6 is equal to 5 plus 4 is 9 over 20. Now if I take 6 to the other side, this will become x is equal to 9 into 6, that is 54 over 20 or 27 over 10. Is this
Okay,
clear?
sir.
Okay. Please write this down. Have you noted this down, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's go to the next one now. So you have to solve the following linear equations. So this is n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. So here, because all the variables are already on the left side, we will solve this with a common denominator. That will be the LCM of 2, 4 and 6. And then the constant is on the other side. We will solve this and find the value of n, which solves this equation, which is a solution of this equation. I'll give you a minute. Quickly solve and let me know the answer. Are you all attempting this? Yeah. So students, we are going to have a practice session just after the class today. So we'll have half an hour practice. So after every class of 40 minutes, we'll have a practice session of half an hour. Okay. So we'll continue with the class. So the class would be, 10:30 to 11:10. So today it started late. So we'll have class first, theory class, and then we'll do the practice of questions on the platform right right after the class. Let us do it, students. LCM of 2, 4, and 6 is 12.
Well,
Very good. So now what we'll do, we'll multiply both numerator and denominator by 6, right? So we will get 6n by 12 here. In this case, we will multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. We will have 9n. And again here, we will multiply it by 2. We will have 10n. Right? Till this point, is it clear? Now this
yes,
is
sir.
equal to 22, 21. Now 10n plus 6n is 16n minus 9n is 7n by 12 is equal to 21, or n is equal to 21 into 12 over 7. So we'll take 12 to the numerator and 7 to the denominator. Because when we, once we take something from the denominator to the other side, it gets multiplied to the numerator. And if we take it from the numerator to the other side, it will get divided on the other side. So now 7 times 1, 7 times 3. So n is equal to 12 into 3, that is 36. So n is equal to 36 is the answer here. Is this clear to everyone? Have you understood it, students? Has everyone understood this concept? Thank you, Puvina. So let's go to the next question, students. I hope everyone has already noted this down. So I'll give you some more time to note this down. Once you have noted this down, we can go to the third question for the day. Okay. Now the next question is solve the following linear equation x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Now we have variables on both the sides. So we'll bring variables on one side and the constants on other side. Okay. So let us bring minus 5x by 2 to left and 7 to the right. Okay. So what do we get here is x minus 8x by 3 plus 5x by 2. Now minus 5x by 2, when it comes from right side to left side, we'll change the sign, transposition. This is equal to 17 by 6 minus of 7, because plus 7 when it goes from left side to right side, it will become minus 7. Now the LCM of 1, 3 and 2 is 6. Okay. So here we'll multiply both numerator and denominator by 6. This will become 6x. In the second term, it is 3. So we'll multiply it by 2. So we will have minus 16x. And the third term, we have 2 in the denominator. We will multiply by 3. So this will become plus of 15x. This is equal to 17 by 6 minus of 7 by 1, for example. Because there is no denominator, we take 1 as denominator there. Now 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 minus 16 is 5x over 6. And here if we take LCM of 6 and 1, we'll get 6. 17 minus 6 times 7 is 42. So we have 5x over 6 is equal to 17 minus 42 is minus 25 over 6. Is it clear? Till this point, is it clear to everyone? Okay, good. Now what we do, students, because we have to find the value of x, we'll take 6 from the denominator to the numerator on the other side and 5 from the numerator to denominator on the other side. So our x will become minus 25 into 6 divided by 6 into 5. This 6 gets cancelled and here this 5 gets cancelled. So the value is x is equal to minus 5. Is it clear? X is equal to minus 5 is the solution of this linear equation. Quickly note this down. Has everyone understood it? Great. Shall we move to the next one now? Okay. Now cross multiplication method for solving equations. So here what we do, students, if we have terms like this ax plus b divided by cx plus d is equal to m by n. So if we have to solve that, we will take cx plus d on the other side we'll multiply it by m, and we will bring n to the other side, and we'll multiply this n with ax plus b, right? So we will get n times ax plus b is equal to m times cx plus d. And then we solve this linear equation to get the value of x which satisfies this equation. So for example, if we have something like this, 2x plus 5 by 3x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 5. So we will cross multiply this. So we will take 5 on the other side and multiply, and we'll take 3x plus 7 on the other side and multiply. So when we do this, students, what we are going to get? 5 times 2x plus 5 is equal to 3 times 3x plus 7. So we will get 10x plus 25 is equal to 9x plus 21. Correct? Now when you take 9x on the other side and 25 to this side, we have 10x minus 9x is 21 minus 25. So 10x minus 9x is x, 21 minus 25 is minus of 4, right? So this is how you will solve it when you are doing it by cross multiplication. So if you have the variable x term both in numerator and denominator on one side, then we do cross multiplication, take the denominators on the other side of both the equation, then solve it and get the value of the variable which satisfies this equation. Is this clear to everyone? Clear, students? Okay. Let's do some questions based on these cross multiplication method. So first question, student, 2x plus 1 by 3x minus 2 is equal to 9 by 10. How do you solve this? Tell me first, how will you solve this? And then you need to solve. Okay. So we have
We need
2x.
to
Yes.
keep the 10 as in the numerator area. So,
Yes.
so it'll be 10 into 2x plus 1. And
Yes.
same for the denominator with 9.
So 9 into 3x minus 2. This is what we'll do. Correct? Very good. Now what we do is we will take 10 inside the bracket by distributive property. So 10 times 2x will become 20x plus 10 into 1 will become 10. 9 times 3x is 27x. 9 into minus 2 is minus 18. Now what we do is we bring x on one side, variables on one side and the constants on the other side. We'll transpose this. So 20x minus 27x is minus 18 minus 10. So this is minus of 7x. So we have minus of 7x is minus of 28. X is negative of 28 by negative 7. This gets cancelled and 7 times 4. So value of x which satisfies this equation is 4. So x is equal to 4 is the solution of this equation. Clear, students? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note this down, and then next question you can do it on your own and you will let me know the answer. So you have to do it a bit fast so that you learn the skills of time management during the class only. Okay, students, let's go to the next one now. So 3x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 7 is equal to 4. You have to solve this. So because there is no denominator here, let's put a 1 here in the denominator for you to understand the concept. Okay. Now quickly do the cross multiplication and solve it and get me the answer. You have to tell me the answer here. Could anyone get the answer?
So I'm getting x is equal to 2 by 5.
No, it is not 2 by 5. Yeah, denominator is correct, 5. In numerator, you have something else. Just
Okay,
try it
so
once. Check the calculations. I'll also meanwhile start doing it. So we have 1 times 3x plus 5 is 4 times 2x plus 7. So we have 3x plus 5 is 8x plus 28 because 4 will get multiplied to both. No, Puvina, 10 I don't think is the answer. We'll check it. Now we'll take 8x here and 5 on the other side. So we have 3x minus of 8x is 28 minus 5. So this is negative of 5x is equal to 23, or x is 23 over minus 5, that is minus 23 by 5. So the value of x is minus of 23 by 5. This is the solution of this linear equation. Is it clear, students? Could you now find out what mistakes you were doing? Okay. So be very, just check your calculations once more whenever you are doing a calculation. Check it twice so that you don't make any silly mistakes in exams. So you will get habituated of checking the, calculations once more during the practice. Then you will not make mistake in exam also. There also you will do the same. You will recheck it. You will find the mistake. You will correct it on your own. Okay. Great. Now in this question, solve the following linear equation. This is again, we'll have to do cross multiplication. We'll multiply 5 on this side and 3 on this side and get the answer. Quickly tell me the answer. This is not very difficult. You should be able to do it in a minute. Yes, Puvina, you are correct. The answer is correct for you. X is equal to 8 is the correct answer. Let's solve it, students. So this is 5 times x minus 5. This is equal to 3 times x minus 3. So you will get 5x minus of 25 is 3x minus of 9. Take 3x on left side. This will be 5x minus 3x. This is minus 9 plus 25. So now we have 2x is equal to 25 minus 9 is 16, or x is equal to 16 by 2, which is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 is the solution of this linear equation. Correct? Did everyone get this answer? X is equal to 8. So Kevin, Chaitra, Thamji Sai, and Puvina. Puvina has already got it. What about others? Others also got it? Okay, very good. And Kevin, did you get it? Kevin, are you there in the class and listening to us? Okay, let's move to the next one. So we have to, again, here we have to reduce it into simpler form and then solve. So m minus of m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3, right? Quickly try and solve it. So you will bring m minus 2 by 3 from RHS to LHS, then solve it for m and get the value of m, which satisfies this linear equation. I'll give you 1 minute to attempt, and then I can, help you solve it if you are not able to solve it. But I'm sure you will be able to. Okay, Kevin, good, good. You're not able to unmute yourself. Okay. You can answer in the chat if unmuting is a problem. You can answer in the chat. At times, Teams has a problem. Microsoft Teams may have some problem. So if you leave the meeting and join again, it may allow you, because others are able to answer. Others are able to unmute themselves. So at times, you will have to re-log in. But you don't need to do that. You can answer it in the chat. I'm fine with this. So here we have to solve the following linear equation. The value of m is what we have to find. So as I said, you have to bring negative of m minus 2 by 3 from the right hand side to the left hand side. So we have m minus of m minus 1 by 2. I'll put it in the bracket so that we are more clear. And then negative of m minus 2 by 3. This can be brought from right side to left side. It will become plus of m minus 2 by 3. This is equal to 1. Okay. Now this m will have a denominator of 1. So LCM of 1, 2, and 3 is 6. So we'll have 6 here. We'll multiply both numerator and denominator by 6. This will become 6m minus of 3 times m minus 1, because we have 2 in the denominator. We multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. In the third term, we have 3 in the denominator. We'll multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 to get 2 times m minus 2 is equal to 1. Is it clear till this place? Till this step? Now we take minus 3 inside the bracket, because there is a negative sign. The signs will change inside the bracket. So this will become 6m minus 3m plus 3. Minus 3 into minus 1 will become plus 3. Plus 2m minus 4 over 6 is equal to 1. So 6m minus 3m is 3m, plus 2m is 5m. 3 minus 4 is minus 1, divided by 6 is 1. So here we get 5m minus 1 is 6. We'll take 6 to the other side. And then 5m is equal to 6 plus 1, or m is equal to 5m is 7, or m is equal to 7 by 5. So the answer here is m equal to 7 by 5. This is the solution of the linear equation given in the question. Is it clear?